All right, so let's talk about what it means to add and subtract matrices. And that's kind of what you would expect. If you have two matrices, now they have to be the same size, they have to have the same dimensions. But if they have the same dimensions, then all we're going to do is just add or subtract the corresponding entries. So let's take a look at example 3. We have these two matrices. They're the same size, so it works out. And so we're just going to add the entries. So the entry in the sum is just going to be the sum of the entries for each element. So for the element in position 1, 1, we're just going to take the two corresponding elements and add them. So 2 plus a -1 gives me 1. And then we'll just go element by element. So -1 plus 2 gives me another 1. 3 plus a -1 gives me 2. 9 plus a -6 gives me 3. 3 plus 4 is 6. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay? So there's my sum. That's the sum of those two matrices. I'm just adding the corresponding elements. Same way with subtraction. We're just going to subtract the corresponding elements. So in this case, now we have 2 minus 4, which becomes -2. We have -3 minus 3, which becomes a -6. We have 4 minus 1, which is 3. 3 minus 6 is a -3. 1 minus 2 is a -1. And 0 minus 2 is a -2. All right? So there's the difference of those two matrices. That's really all there is to it. All right, so I'll meet you in the next video.